Welcome, here I've got Motorola Razr 5G and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the capture settings. At the last position in this category we have the watermark option, so when we tap on this we can start using this. As you can see, we can add here the timestamp watermark. By using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off. This is how it works. Let me keep this turned on now. We have also the device watermark. Also by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off. We have also here the quick preview, so we can see how these watermarks looks like on the picture. When we slide a little bit to the right we can see the device watermark, so shot on Motorola Razr 5G, and with this watermark is also connected the signature. So here when we tap on this we can add our own watermark, for example HardReset. And okay, as you can see it appears here in the second line, but remember that this is connected, so you can't add the signature without the device watermark. As you can see, this is how it works. We can add just one of this, we can add both at the same time. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to show you how these watermarks looks like on the real one. And now let's move here to this button from the right. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. The watermarks are here in the bottom. From the left we have the device and the custom one. Let's get closer to it. This is how it looks like. And when we slide to the right we can see the timestamp. Of course, when you don't need this you can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right, slide again to the capture settings, tap on this watermark option here and use these buttons to turn it off. So when you take another picture now, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.